G'day folks, it's Ricko here with another great easy tip. Have you ever rocked up to camp and found the inside of one of your drawers full of dust? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that today. Now these are compression locks, and what they're designed to do is actually compress when they're closed. And you see here that they're actually not even touching the rubber. So I'll show you another trick where you can test to see if they're tight enough or not. All right, here's a quick and easy way to test to see if your compression locks are tight enough. Grab a piece of paper, pop it in there, lock them up. It slides out really easy just like that. That's way too loose. So we're going to adjust these so that they are compressing the rubber seal and keeping that dust out. Then we'll test it again. Alrighty, adjustment is really quick and easy. So once you've got the door open, go ahead and close that compression lock. And then what we're going to do is screw this down until it begins to compress the automotive rubber seal we've got. Get that lock nut back up in there. We won't tighten it right up yet. We'll do the same on the other side. When we're adjusting these compression locks, we want them to actually compress the seal like this. That way we know this rubber is going to be compressed all the way around when this door is closed. Grab our paper. And already I can feel there's a lot more resistance when actually actuating the locks. And there's a lot more effort involved to pull this paper out. It'll still come out, but it's a fair old effort. So I reckon that's pretty close. All right, so once you're happy with the locks, they're compressing, just make sure you do that lock nut up tight. That's going to keep it in place and the job's done. You should be dust free going forward. Now if you'd like more tips and tricks, hints and hacks from things that I've picked up from towing these bad boys all around the countryside, make sure you head over to Easy Trail's Facebook page, give that a like, and while you're online, jump over to their YouTube channel and make sure you give that a like as well. Subscribe to the channel, tap the bell icon, that way you'll be notified when new videos drop. Easy Trail, they really are making camping easy.